rumors about Shark Tank getting paid. My feet has already started tapping. But we had a downfall even in the other business because of the humiliation which I had received. But see, ठीक है मिला.
Now Shark Tank has become a big hype for the people who can go and just market themselves.
You say people go there. Obviously people go there, but not everyone can go there.
आपकी ब्रांड को उसने कैसे इफेक्ट किया?
It was so ashamed myself. उनसे ही आप नहीं मिला पा रहा था.
Hey everyone, I'm Fierce Sativa, your host at Training Diary Show. Your journey to connect with ideas, stories, experiences, and people and get a deeper understanding of the world around you starts now. So today I'm with Rohit Warrior, who is the founder of Supply, VFire, and ZepRoot. Best, more about the man will know from himself. Hi Rohit, welcome to Training Diary.
Hi Priya, thank you for having me.
Enlighten our audience what you do, why you do, and what's next. Who started the first segment, and you'll know you from Shark Tank India for sure. But behind the story, after the story, let us know.
So many questions in one pitch. That is difficult for me to remember.
So yeah, we'll divide it segment by segment.
Yeah. So yeah. What do? I do a lot of things. In fact, at times I forget what I'm currently doing. So yeah, I mean my main business has been automatic fire detection and suppression systems. We basically supply automatic fire suppression for industrial applications. So any machinery or any equipment which can catch fire, we protect those.
Okay.
And yeah, we've been doing it since 2010. That's been our bread and butter, and that's been the funder of many other of my passions or startups. Zipline is one of them, and ZepRoot is the newest baby. Yes, and yeah, that is what I do as a profession. Shark Tank, well, Shark Tank experience, or what do you exactly want to know about Shark Tank? Because
I mean, somehow we all know Shark Tank, what happens on the screen, right? But we only see on the TV. I really want to understand, let's say, for I personally believe that Shark Tank has become a big hype for the people who can go and just market themselves. मतलब अगर आपको अपने आइडिया पे इतना हो रही है कि हाँ you really want the funding or not, you don't want the funding, but you'll go there because billions and millions of people are watching this show on national television. So how was your experience? आपकी ब्रांड को उसने कैसे इफेक्ट किया एंड हाउ डज दैट वर्क हाउ डज दैट वर्क
yeah, of course, Shark Tank is a very big platform. People, you said people go there, right? Obviously people go there, but not everyone can go there. You know, there's a very stringent selection process that goes through. So not anyone and everyone, I mean, there are lakhs of application, but not everyone can.
have to pay to get on sharp or not react
Absolutely.
नहीं
No.
I just want to clarify because I'm not aware about that.
Yeah, there are a lot of rumors about Shark Tank getting paid. No, absolutely no. Not even the pitches are scripted. Obviously, you need to practice your script before the show because it's a big event, right? You're going to come on a national television. So the team makes sure that you are practiced enough so that you can represent yourself in front of the television. But otherwise, जो rumors है scripted है ये वो सब बकवास है और कुछ नहीं है. My experience, well, see, my feet is already started tapping. See, there are two things here to note. You asked about brand, right? I'm glad that you got that topic out, brand. Now, when I went there, there were two brands, or rather, there was one brand which was representing, it was Zipline,
Right.
right? And after Shark Tank aired, or rather my pitch aired, there were two brands which was Rohit Warrior and Zipline. So in terms of Zipline, yeah, the brand had an experience, and if we can see, I more or less, ठीक है, right? But because of whatever happened in Shark Tank, I could really come up as a brand called Rohit Warrior, right? Who is not willing to give up, who is a fighter, who will do no matter what, who will believe what he wants to do and not what the crowd wants, right? So that is something which was positive for me. And yeah, that is really helping me in my new business, ZepRoot. Not just in ZepRoot, you know. Even in my other business, yeah, we had a downfall for a period of time. I wouldn't want to name the reasons why. Uh, but we had a downfall even in the other business because of the humiliation which I had received. But see, ठीक है मिला, but उसको बैठ के रो करके मतलब है क्या? रो के मतलब नहीं है. So what else can you do? You get into the market and you fight back. That's what I did, and that really helped me. And उसके वजह से the people or rather my existing customers for my prior business, even they appreciated it so much because they knew, they knew this is not what or this is not who Rohit Warrior is, the way it was showed. And but किसी को भी तो कंसर्न होता है ना यार कि यार इसका इतना इज्जत उतरा है, कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं इससे आगे आगे. बट जब मैं फाइट बैक देने लगा, दे वर एप्रिशिएटिंग इट एंड या इट हेल्प मी एज अ ब्रांड एंड आई एम गोना एब्सोल्युटली यूटिलाइज इट. सो आई मीन व्हाटएवर आई डू इन फ्यूचर.
So I'm someone who believes in one line as marketing like negative marketing. It's just marketing. It's easier said than done. I know. It is easier said than done. But it's just my perspective. That's it.
Yes, but the kind of marketing which I got, probably if it was somebody else in my place,
It's how you take it, how you perceive it.
yeah, they would have given away their life. 99%, because I mean, who can stand humiliation on national television, right? So maybe it was fortunate or unfortunate, I don't know.
How did you come back? Like, what was your thoughts the moment you get out of that screen? And like, what was your thoughts on that? Like,
See, uh, as soon as the show, or rather, as soon as the pitch ended, see, I was neutral in the sense, मैंने भी बहुत जवाब दिए थे, right? ठीक है, वो 100% में से इफ यू कैलकुलेट कि कितना परसेंट अच्छा हुआ, कितना परसेंट खराब हुआ, आई वुड से 60% खराब हुआ, मेरी 70% खराब हुआ, 30% अच्छा हुआ. बट वो 30% में भी मैंने ऐसे-ऐसे जवाब दिए थे, जो अगर आधा था, तो इट वुड हैव एंडेड अप लाइक अ न्यूट्रल, राइट? ठीक है, नॉट बैड, नॉट गुड. बट ठीक है, वैसा आया नहीं.
yeah, but
As
yeah, it is a different for sure.
yeah, and as soon as I stepped out, you won't believe this, something which I'm talking for the first time, forever, right? मैंने इसके बारे में ब्लॉग लिखा है, बट as soon as I stepped out of yeah, the recording room और क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
To set up
the setup, yeah, the set. I was so ashamed myself. ठीक है, अब जो सेट पे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं उनको पता है क्या हुआ है, राइट? बट बाहर किसी को पता नहीं है. बट आई वाज सो अशेम, मैं उनसे ही आप नहीं मिला पा रहा था, राइट? इट वाज सच बैड. बट सी, कुछ चीजें ना, इट इज इन बॉर्न इन योर अदर, यू हैव कम अप और अदर, इट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन लाइफ टिल दैट. अब ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सिप्लाइंग मेरा पहला प्रोडक्ट था, राइट? दैट वाज माय पार्ट टाइम बेबी. एंड मेरे पहले बिजनेस में भी कम अप फ्रॉम जीरो टू माइनस गया, माइनस से देन ऊपर उठ के आए हो. एंड आई एम क्या बोलते हैं, 95% बेटर प्रोफेशनली देन द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, राइट? सो वो भी आया बिकॉज देयर इज सम ट्रेट्स इन मी और अदर ट्रेट्स व्हिच आई डेवलप इन टर्म्स ऑफ नॉट गिविंग अप और इन टर्म्स ऑफ बिलीविंग इन योरसेल्फ. So that is why I could come back. I mean, the deals which I made, it was funny, but it was smart, which actually helped me get back to my feet. उन्हीं का recording use करके we made really funny reels which actually made a point, which made an important point, which were also mentioned on the show, but obviously post on show. But yeah, I was creative enough to think and come out of it. See, when you're at a position there, it is very down, मतलब बहुत नीचे हो तुम in terms of mental, in terms of situation, in terms of profession, and you are continuously focusing on मैं अभी क्या करूँ, अभी क्या करूँ, अभी क्या करूँ. वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वही चल रहा होता है. इवन दो इफ यू ईटिंग, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वही चल रहा होता है. आइडियाज आते रहते हैं, हाउ टू गेट बैक ऑन योर फीट. सो probably that is what helped me get back on my feet again.
Fair enough. Interesting. What are you coming up with next? What is your next venture? You mentioned that Zeproot is something that is really gonna her baby. So tell us more about Zeproot.
Yes, see, Zepcrude is something really very interesting. It is actually going to revolutionize the way recruitment is done, right? It is going to make life easier for the job seekers as well as the recruiters. As on date, the average recruitment time for a recruiter is around 60 to 90 days, right? We are trying to get it down to 5 days, right? Which is like a vast difference in terms of time to hire. Similarly, even for job seeker, we are making it very, very simple for him to apply jobs, for her to get a job.
To that.
So Recruit is an end-to-end AI-powered recruitment platform.
Oh.
Right? When I say end-to-end AI-powered, as a recruiter, all you need to do is you just have to post your JD. बाकी सब ऐप करेगा, right? वो कैंडिडेट्स भी ढूंढेगा, वो सीवी शॉर्टलिस्ट भी करेगा, सीवी को रैंक करेगा, रैंक करने के बाद इंटरव्यू लिंक्स भेजेगा टॉप कैंडिडेट्स को, इंटरव्यू भी ऐप ही कंडक्ट करेगा, डायनामिक क्वेश्चन जनरेट करेगा और क्वेश्चन के पूरे समरी देगा to the recruiter. So end of the recruiter, they need to just read through the summary and most likely they can take a decision as to whether they want to hire this person or not.
So what I understood, how it is going to be different from the other platform, other players who are already there in the market, let's say Naukri or the another platforms who are already there, that AI is going to do half of the work from them, major chunk of work, whether it's about selecting the candidates or filtering the candidates, giving the JD and the rest of like the basic menus.
See, I was saying 90% I would say.
Okay.
90%. Naukri.com doesn't conduct interviews, right?
Right.
Our app conducts interviews and it's not SOS interview. It's a detailed interview based on skills, based on GD, based on CV, most importantly, based on the company's values. Because, see, culture fit is also important. It is one of the most important criteria or important points in recruitment, which is often overlooked, right? So culture fit भी होना जरूरी है. For example, XYZ company का values है intent.
Right. I think this particular thing, culture fit you mentioned now. I have seen lots of companies adding this cultural round. So जब भी interview होता है, there's a cultural round, the 7 set of 10 set of questions asked in a company that how culturally, how morally you are fit for the company.
Correct.
So I think
Correct.
yeah.
Exactly. So our bot will interview based on those as well.
Okay.
Right. So see, there's a demand, there's a supply.
Right.
ठीक है. But ये नहीं दुखी है, ये नहीं दुखी है. क्यों दुखी है? Because रिक्रूटर बोल रहा है मेरे को सही बंदा नहीं मिल रहा है, जॉब सीकर बोल रहा है मेरे को सही कंपनी नहीं मिल रहा है, या फिर वो तुरंत छोड़ के चला जाता है. And one of the main reasons is the culture fit. What we personally feel, because job satisfaction is also important for a candidate, right? Getting the right culture fit is very important for a recruiter, so that वो ढल जाए, right? Skills तो यार, skills can be learned, but attitude cannot be learned. Attitude is something which is there, right? So that is why the culture fit
Is
come to it is really important, and that is so yeah, that is what we are trying to do. Basically वो जो demand supply का gap है वो efficiently close करे. एंड हमारा विजन तो बहुत ही बड़ा है, मतलब ऑब्वियसली इसको पूरा करने में टाइम लगेगा. आवर एम इज इफ अ जॉब सीकर अप्लाइज फॉर अ जॉब टुडे एट 10 AM, he should land a job by tomorrow 10 AM.
Okay.
Right? So that is like very quick, yes, but very difficult. And yeah, but that is what our challenge is. That is what we're trying to solve. Yeah, obviously not from the first day of launch.
Is it for all the type of CCO like blue collar, white collar, or the premium creates?
White collar, and see, we are targeting an age group of 20 to 35, because 35 के बाद में nobody really hunts for a job on your
Commercial reference, yeah.
exactly, right? So that is our target criteria. I mean, targeting audience, age group. So yeah, white collar primarily. In the near future, blue collar as well, but we're starting off with white collar. Any industry, because it's an AI powered platform, right? So AI doesn't distinguish between a manufacturing or an IT sector.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Because now you are getting into this industry, just want to know more on the career aspects. What do you think? What are the skills that make someone stand out in the upcoming future? I believe that you have been studying this industry quite closely. So what do you think? What are the skills now in individuals, even especially for the aspiring people who want to be an entrepreneur, even who want to be into the job, start their career with that? So what are few skills that they should learn, whether to prepare themselves for their business, their entrepreneur journey, or even for the corporate world in general? What are the things they should really look over to that you think they have to survive well pride in the industry?
See, you've given me a very wide range, because you asked me for a job. See, as just an entrepreneur, which I
Yeah,
says,
but let's talk about, because we are talking about your platform, just talk about job seekers first.
yes, for job seekers, see, as an employer myself, we mainly look at the attitude of the job seeker, right? is it the right attitude? When I talk about attitude, it is, do they have the curiosity to learn, or are they very coming analyze it, very narrow-minded, fixed mindset,
Yeah.
right? That is something. See, even if the job is only this much, any employer would want a personality who, if at all required, is willing to do something else.
Hmm.
Not mandatorily, right? But that shows the interest in the candidate, and that is what will help them grow. Doing outside, doing things outside your forte, or getting out of your comfort zone. And when I talk about comfort zone, that's the second skill that you need to have. Get out of your comfort zone. No matter if you're an entrepreneur, no matter if you're a job seeker, uh, that is important for you to uh, change your trajectory, probably, right? Uh, because see, even salary, they become so comfortable getting a certain amount of money every month in their bank account that they feel threatened. अगर एक महीने नहीं आया तो मेरा क्या होगा, right? So जब वो कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलोगे तभी पता लगेगा कि क्या होगा, राइट? अस्यूम करके तो पता नहीं लगेगा।
Hmm.
सो बाहर निकलो एंड देन ट्राई। सी, देयर इज नो हार्म इन ट्राइंग, राइट? Try, and if it doesn't succeed, go back to your job. I mean, there are plenty of options available in the market if you have the right attitude, which is uh, to learn, to be, you know, how do I call it? Yeah, learn, implement, be agile enough to do things outside your comfort zone. Curiosity. Now, people keep asking me, तू इतनी सारी चीजें कैसे करता है? तो I tell them, मैंने ना एक डिप्लोमा किया है, डिप्लोमा इन क्यूरियोसिटी, and they take it seriously at times. I'm like, no, bro.
Is there any university providing that? I already apply that too. So one thing I would like to add here, I really agree to what you said. There's one more thing that I personally like. One should definitely add to themselves in adaptability along with curiosity. So we are so certain and stiff about how we operate, how we work, but having an empathetic point of view and seeing that every environment, every company, every culture, every business needs you to adapt certain things. Whether it's about your behavior, whether it's about technology or anything, if you'll not adapt with time, with your people, with your surroundings, you're lacking behind. So I think it's those both are very important.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. And adaptability and getting out of your comfort zone goes hand in
Yeah, hand in hand.
right. So if you have to adapt to something different, yeah, you are being getting out of your comfort zone. And see, there's one example to getting out of your comfort zone. You don't have to, like, for example, if you're a job seeker and you want to try an entrepreneurship, ठीक है, डायरेक्ट जंप मत मारो, तुम पहले छोटा छोटा स्टेप लो कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलने।
Do a side business, do a passive income. So you get this idea of, you do not have to be a master in one thing because entrepreneurship, I believe it's being jack of all trades and jack of lots of trades at least.
Yeah, and even jack of one trade can be an entrepreneur.
Can be, but still you have to be, someone, who is keeping an eye of 10 other things that your people are doing because if, something is fucked up, you are responsible for it. You cannot, come and say your employee that how it is. At the end, it's you are the major person who will take the responsibility of everything get done.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah. You said it rightly. And also, see, you don't have to be a jack of all trades to start into that. Right? Because when you become an entrepreneur, you will become a jack of all trades. By a cockroach. So, yeah. So that, yeah.
also, I also believe that, that SaaS products, these kind of technology where let's say everything is getting into subscription model. Whether now you have seen a tech shift from, I remember as a child I've only seen TV or some videos maybe. Now there is a whole shift from theaters to OTT platforms. What is it? Subscription model. A quick thing. One night subscription, you are able to have access of a lot of things and even lots of things. So you are also coming up with some type of platform where people can maybe have a subscription. I'm not sure about your licensing, but there's something with that part. What do you think if someone an aspiring person, an aspiring individual at summoning two qualities, looking for that and really want to start that kind of business, what are the things they should know and should be aware about creating a business in technology into SaaS?
Okay.
Or maybe you can divide us into segments, ki Priya, when it comes to finance, when it comes to technology, or when it comes to resources, these are the few things. Let us know, break down a bit first.
Uh, See, that's a very difficult question, Priya.
That's what I do. That's my job is.
So I can tell you how to implement, but I cannot tell you fintech में अगर कुछ करना
No, you cannot give me a blueprint. I'm not asking you for a blueprint. But just a gist job, of course. Someone have to get it. But yeah, give us a gist. If someone is watching this episode who want to start that kind of thing, what does it?
सबसे पहले product बनाओ, investor मत ढूंढो.
Yeah.
Right? The first thing that people do nowadays is ISM दिमाग में अभी और वो भी full fledged नहीं है, but उसके पहले यार investor चाहिए. यार I mean, come on, you have an idea, but ठीक है, write it down on a paper, right? And then think about it, brainstorm about it with maybe industry experts or whoever you know, who knows at least something more than you do, right? Talk to them and understand and build something. Build something. See, in getting an investor, okay, you need funds. I agree with you, but you have to hustle, right? सिर्फ आइडिया दिमाग में है और आप इन्वेस्टर के पास जाओगे, यू मे नॉट गेट एनी वैल्यूएशन, मे बी 50% दे के आओगे और बदिया में मिलेगा तुमको कुछ नहीं, राइट? बट इफ यू बिल्ड अ प्रोडक्ट, investor also sees you as somebody who can implement things, right? That gives you more valuation. और कुछ बनाया है, प्रोडक्ट बना है, तो ऑब्वियसली वैल्यूएशन तुमको ज्यादा मिलेगा. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ प्रोडक्ट बना के भी नहीं, प्रोडक्ट बना के चलाओ, थोड़ा ट्रैक्शन लेके आओ, उसके बाद इन्वेस्टर के पास जाओ, देन यू आर इन द गेम, right? So instead of me telling you fintech करना है तो exactly ये करो, no, I'm the wrong guy, but yeah, I started a SaaS platform, so probably I can tell you SaaS platform में करना है तो क्या है.
Yeah, for me that way.
Yeah, so obviously it's difficult for you to have a team, right? Because it's expensive. Front-end developer, back-end developer, ये वो UI UX, 10-12 लाख 15 लाख तो तुम्हारा सैलरी में चला जाएगा. Obviously don't do that. You outsource it.
Yeah.
You outsource someone. If your idea is good enough, try to negotiate with the vendor in terms of थोड़ा equity ले ले और पैसे कम ले ले, right? And if your idea is really good, I don't think anybody would deny that, right? And how do you know whether they would deny or not? Just ask, right? पूछेगे तो समझ में आएगा. इस ये नहीं मान रहा है, दूसरे बात है, दूसरा नहीं मान रहा है, तीसरे बात जाओ. But don't give up on an idea if you have.
I didn't like this one particular quote from Steve Jobs where he said that, how our dreams not get complete because we do not know how to ask even.
Probably. Yeah. वो टाटा स्काई का गाना है आई थिंक बीच में. सो काफी टाइम पहले पूछ के तो देखो.
पूछ के तो देखो.
सो या इट इज अ फैक्ट. पूछ के तो देखो, पता नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा वो. You put your efforts, right? That is more important than focusing on the result. When you keep putting your efforts into something, results will automatically come. No matter what, it will come for sure. So yeah, put your efforts. Go ahead. जाओ करो, जल्दी करो.
So the idea is just to initiate the process, how you do it.
Take that first step.
Take that first step.
And automatically बाकी का steps दिख जाएगा. One of the major reasons why people don't implement things or don't get out of their comfort zone is वो देखते हैं सीधा दूर का नजर. I mean, वहां पे ठीक है, मैं आज यहाँ पे मुझे वहां जाना. ओ शिट, इतना मेहनत लगे और इतना अब कैसे पहुंचूंगा मैं, राइट? बट यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट. वो रखो, बट पहला यहाँ से यहाँ तो आओ. एक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप. जैसे अभी तुमको कुछ बिजनेस शुरू करना है, start by asking how do I register a company, right? Start by asking where do I find this vendor. Start by asking where will I find my employees, or where will I find the funds, right? Start by asking questions. Be curious. So yeah, things will move ahead.
I always believe that there's no blueprint to an entrepreneurship. It's something that no one can teach, but there's an attitude, there is some philosophy that we can, grow up with. I believe that. It can be another interesting subject. Now I know that a university is selling out the course for entrepreneurship. It doesn't make sense to me at least. But yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. And yeah, I mean, entrepreneurship is
Something that you do it yourself.
yeah, and there's no particular formula for entrepreneurship, right? Uh, Probably the only formula is start doing it right now. If you have something in mind, just start doing it right now. Don't wait for the next minute or the tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. So,
So that's the last thing, Rohit, that I'm always listening from my guests. What is the one trend that you like to see more evolving in the new world, or one trend that you like to see more embraced?
okay, one trend will कुछ हो ना हो job seekers Z group पे आए. That is one trend that I'm really looking forward to.
I really look forward for that. And I think, if providing employment is something that you're solving a big problem. And Naukri came, I think it was a big revolution in the industry itself. There was no such platform. Everyone goes manually to the offices and for the interviews and everything. And now there's a one step ahead and even 10 step ahead, something which is an AI power where even the pain of HRs, where they have to go a lot of manual work. I think this is a big problem that you're going to solve. So look forward for that and how it is going to change the industry.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Priya. Thank you for having me. And yeah, I mean, see, जिंदगी तो चलता रहेगा जॉब सीकर recruiter etc. But yeah, we're trying to solve some real problem and the real way. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ business करना पैसे कमाने. No, that's the least of our worries. We just want to really want a job seeker to land the right job and the recruiter to find the right talent. So it's gonna be challenging, but yeah, we're up for it.
All the best for the same.